How to fix Telegram crashing on startup. If Telegram is crashing every time you try to open it, here's how to resolve the issue and get back to your conversations. Start by checking if you are using the most up-to-date version of the app. Go to your Play Store, search for Telegram, and if there's an update, download and install it. If you are on a PC, head to the official Telegram website to get the latest version. Next, try restarting your device. It's a simple fix but can often resolve issues caused by temporary system glitches. Restarting clears out any background processes that might be interfering with Telegram. Another common fix is to clear Telegram's cache. You can go to Settings and tap on Clear Cache on the app. This will delete temporary files that could be causing the crash. For desktop users, uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram can also help resolve any corrupted files. If you are on PC, try running Telegram as an administrator. Right-click on the app and select Run as Administrator to see if that resolves any permission issues. Let me know in the comments if Telegram still is not opening. And once these steps are done, you should be able to launch Telegram without it crashing. And you will be able to chat and browse freely. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.